Stand in front of a mirror. Open your application. The application is intuitive and will guide you. Press the Start Scan button and follow the instructions. Remove your aligners. Unmute your phone and follow the on-screen instructions. Place your phone into the phone support. Insert your cheek retractor tube into the phone support. You will hear a click when your phone support is properly attached to your retractor. Hold your scan box with one hand on the phone and the other hand holding the tube. Insert one side first, then the other. Your teeth and gums should be fully visible without causing discomfort. Make sure your teeth are in the center of the camera screen. If not, you may need to adjust the position of your phone by sliding it for vertical adjustment. During the scan, audio instructions will guide you through the steps. For this step, bite down on your back teeth and keep your teeth together. Let's go! Double tap on the screen to start the scan. Shift the scan box to one side. Start moving your head as soon as you hear the camera make a sound. Now shift the scan box to the other side. Make sure you move the scan box at the same rate as the progress bar. Scan all the way to the side to make sure your back teeth are well seen. You can also turn your head slightly in the opposite direction if that is easier. Back to the center. If you need to restart the current step, simply press the Restart button. For this next step, you'll have to keep your teeth slightly apart and scan side to side. Double tap to continue. Open your mouth just enough for your tongue to fit in between your teeth. For this next step, you'll have to open wide and scan up and down. Double tap to continue. Tilt the scan box up. Tilt all the way up until you can see the whole biting surface of your teeth. You can also tilt your head slightly in the opposite direction if that is easier. Now tilt the scan box down. Back to the front. Insert your aligners. For this next step, you'll have to keep your teeth slightly apart and scan side to side. Double tap to continue. Take the cheek retractor tube out of your mouth and remove it from the phone support by holding the phone support in place and pulling the cheek retractor tube forward. Take the time to review your pictures. If your pictures do not follow the on-screen instructions, you can simply retake them. Once all your pictures have been validated, you can send your scan. That's it! Now it's your turn to try out your first scan.